Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be doing a Nika sale haul. And without any further ado, let's get started. A small disclaimer: there's a lot of construction and transport sound around my house, so just don't mind that. So these are the boxes that I got, and let's get started. So I just took all the products out of these boxes and filled inside. I got is the Mama Earth wet wipes. To be frank, I got this because I want to take makeup off. For makeup, get this if you want to remove makeup. This is not gonna remove makeup, but you can use it for some essentials. Product I got is the Beat Trimmer. It's like 6 attachments for different purposes, and this is one of the best purchases ever. Haha. Next one is this from L'Oreal. This is their L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum, and one of the most hyped product, and this changed my skin, my hair game, and this actually came in this. Got is a dry shampoo from Dove. This is their dry shampoo, and this is their fresh coconut dry shampoo. It smells nice and it's a nice product. Got the next one is the Dove shower mousse, and this is a really nice and amazing shower mousse, and this smells so manly and nice. The body product is Saint Ives oatmeal scrub. This one is a very mild scrub, and if you're a very sensitive skin and you want a very low chunky scrub, then this one you should go for this one. Next one is Plum E Illuminance Simply Supple Cleansing Balm. So this is their makeup removal cleansing balm. I've used very little bit and it's nice. I go for the cleansing oils by the Face Shop or Innisfree, but this time I wanted to try something different, so yeah. So next one is I got from Plum. This is the green tea renewed clarity. So the moisturizer looks like this, and it's a very nice gel moisturizer, and this cannot be compared to Clinique or even Neutrogena. This has a very unique formula, and not a big fan of this green tea smell. I would definitely go back to Clinique or Neutrogena. The next one is also from Plum. This is their grapeseed and sea buckthorn facial oil. This is a very normal facial oil, and this one is pretty thicker than any other facial oil. So yeah. The next one is the Pixie Glow Tonic. I finally got this in my hands. I actually use this in my nighttime skincare routine as a toner, and this one has a 5% glycolic acid exfoliating toner. So I think glycolic acid is helping my acne scars to fade. So the last skincare product, I think so. So the last skincare product is the N Drop the Bags Under Eye Cell Repair Serum. The smell of the serum is quite off the track, but the it definitely depuffs your eye. I cannot say this helps in lightening your under eyes. Definitely depuffs your eyes. Next one I got is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, and inside it looks like this. Product is from Pack. This is their Lightful Moisturizer, and this is their Lightful Moisture Cream for all skin types with vitamin E and aloe, restores elasticity and hydration. And I must say this cream is really amazing under your makeup. Last three makeup products I have. So this is the Pack Translucent Powder in 01. Yeah. So it's 01, and this is a complete white translucent powder, and this is how it looks, and the powder is so light, and it just melts into your skin, and this literally changed my makeup game because I thought this powder will have a white cast on my skin, but this never leaves a white cast, and it's a thumbs up to all skin. Next one is I got a blush from Color Bar. This is their Cheek Illusion Blush in Coral Craving. Now this one doesn't have any shimmer, but this has a nice sheen. It's not shimmer but sheen, but yeah. So it looks like this. I'm just trying to, oh yeah, this is the real color, and I'll try to swatch it. So this is how the color looks on my If you're trying to find out a nice coral color blush, then it's gonna be not the least is the NYX Professional Epic Ink Liner, and this is how it looks like. I'll show you the liner. So it looks like this. It's not that opaque, but oh my god. So this is how the liner is definitely waterproof and even smudge proof. Once I remember I did like this accidentally and I was like, oh shit, no. But this didn't smudge. Kudos to. We are at the end of the video, and all the above items which I showed you in the entire haul, it was in the sale and I got almost like around 20 to 50. I ask you guys to go ahead and purchase all your essentials, makeup, skincare, everything when there is a sale, because you can save a lot of money. Like, then please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.